Hey there, cheese lovers and keto enthusiasts. Are you ready to elevate your meals with a sauce so decadent, so delicious, you'll swear it couldn't possibly be good for you? I'm talking about the one, the only, the ultimate keto blue cheese sauce. This is not your average dip, it's a culinary masterpiece, packed with the bold, tangy flavor of blue cheese, the velvety richness of cream, and just a touch of magic. Whether you're drizzling it over a perfectly cooked steak, dipping crispy buffalo wings, or tossing it with low-carb pasta alternatives, this sauce is guaranteed to be the star of the show. The best part? It's incredibly simple to make and uses just a handful of ingredients you probably already have on hand. Let's get cooking. Ingredients. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, provides richness and a base for the sauce. 1/4 cup heavy whipping cream, the star ingredient for that irresistible creaminess. 1/4 cup cream cheese, or soft goat's cheese, adds body and a subtle tang. 1/2 cup crumbled blue cheese, use your favorite variety for the bold, signature flavor. 1 to 2 tablespoons herbs, optional, chopped chives, sorrel, or chervil add freshness. Salt and freshly ground black pepper, to taste. Yields, enough for 2 to 4 servings. Instructions. Melt the butter, in a small saucepan over medium-low heat, melt the butter. Whisk in the cream and cream cheese, add the heavy whipping cream and cream cheese, or goat cheese, and whisk until smooth and combined. Incorporate the blue cheese, sprinkle in the crumbled blue cheese and whisk until the cheese has melted and the sauce is creamy. Simmer and thicken, allow the sauce to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes, or until it reaches your desired consistency. If needed, add a tablespoon or 2 of water to thin it out. Season and add herbs, remove from heat and season with salt and pepper to taste. Stir in your favorite herbs for a touch of freshness, optional. Tips and tricks. Quality matters. For the best flavor, use high-quality blue cheese. Choose a variety with the level of sharpness you prefer. Gorgonzola is a great option. Spice it up, add a pinch of red pepper flakes for a bit of a kick. Garlic lovers rejoice, sauté a clove or 2 of minced garlic with the butter before adding the cream for an extra layer of flavor. Storage. The sauce will keep in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. Reheat gently over low heat before serving. Serving suggestions. The possibilities are truly endless with keto blue cheese sauce. Here are a few ideas to get you started. The classic, drizzle over grilled steak or chicken. Wing it, dip crispy buffalo wings or cauliflower wings. Veggie delight, use as a dip for raw vegetables or toss with roasted broccoli or cauliflower. Salad sensation, upgrade your salad with a drizzle of blue cheese dressing. Pasta perfection, toss with zucchini noodles or shirataki noodles for a low-carb pasta dish. This sauce is incredibly versatile and can be adapted to fit your tastes and preferences. Don't be afraid to experiment. The magic of the keto diet is that you can enjoy delicious, indulgent flavors without sacrificing your health goals. So, get creative, embrace the richness of blue cheese, and let this sauce transform your meals into unforgettable experiences. Ready for more delicious keto recipes and tips that excite your senses? Subscribe to our channel for culinary adventures you won't want to miss.